Hello, my fellow quarantines, and welcome back to your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. My name is Manish, and I'm here to bring you all the latest news, views, and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. Now, without wasting much more time, let's kickstart the show with this.
अमिताभ बच्चन आइकॉनिक फिल्म डॉन ने अपना 42nd बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया. Salman Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez are setting our screens on fire with their sizzling chemistry. Kartik Aaryan has shared that if he is ever stranded on an island, he would like Kareena Kapoor Khan to be with him.
Now, we all know that Salman Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez are in lockdown in Salman's Panvel farmhouse for quite some time now. And they've been posting a whole bunch of pictures of the two of them riding horses, goofing around, just chilling, just hanging out, working out together. But they recently decided to put their time to a little bit more productive use and decided to shoot a music video. The song is called Tere Bina, which has been sung, directed and produced by Salman Khan himself. And the video sees the two of them, that's Salman Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez, romancing very sweetly in the outdoors of Salman Khan's Panvel farmhouse. Now, this video has been shot with just one camera person, and that is quite incredible considering the quality and how beautifully the video has been shot. Check out the story.
Salman has been in his farmhouse ever since the lockdown started, and in addition to several family members of his, he has Jacqueline Fernandez giving him company as they wait together for the lockdown to end. Salman has kept himself busy through sharing video messages for his fans about staying safe at home, enjoying downtime with his horses, and creating new lockdown content. After the success of his first single, Pyar Corona, during lockdown, Salman has now collaborated with his close friend Jackie to create another music video to a soulful track, Tere Bina. Salman has sung the song himself and had shared recently that this song had been composed earlier but couldn't be used in any of his films. Directed and produced by Salman himself, the soulful number has music composed by Ajay Bhatia and the lyrics have been penned by Shabir Ahmed. Given the lockdown, Tere Bina was filmed at Salman's farmhouse with just 3 people working together, Salman, Jackie and their in-house DOP, Sajan Singh. The track was released on Salman's YouTube channel, featuring him and Jackie as a romantic couple serenading each other in the beautiful sunlit outdoors. Swimming, horse riding, painting, and enjoying a beautiful candle-lit dinner outdoors. Salman and Jackie's chemistry brings the song to life, but is not without a tragic twist at the end, because what is a love story without a little pathos? It's a great effort with such limited resources, and we are sure Salman's fans are going to be crooning to this number all day.
It's hard to believe that it's already been 42 years since the release of the most iconic film starring Amitabh Bachchan called Dawn. And that was the first time that we actually got to hear the most famous dialogue in Bollywood, Dawn ko pakadna mushkil hi nahi, namumkin hai. Well, Amitabh Bachchan recently posted a photograph on his social media handle which sees him along with Nutanji receiving an award as the best actor for the film Dawn at the Filmfare Awards ceremony. Now, Amitji also put out a whole bunch of trivia, including the fact that distributors of the film were not really happy with the name of the film because they felt that it rhymed with the name of a very popular clothing brand. Well, this is, my friends, pure Bollywood trivia gold. Check it out.
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. खाई के पान बनारस वाला, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना. With dialogues, music, plots, and lots of masala, Dawn was a slick thriller that captured the imagination of a nation. Dawn, which had some of Amit Ji's most iconic on-screen dialogues ever released, celebrated its 42nd year of release yesterday. The iconic gangster film with Amitabh Bachchan playing the double role of a dangerous criminal and his innocent look-alike is undoubtedly one of his finest performances. The movie's foot-tapping music is still popular, with both the original and remixed versions finding an audience. Directed by Chandra Barut, the film also starred Zeenat Aman, Pran, Iftikhair, Helen, Om Shiv Puri, Satyan Kapoor, Mac Mohan, Yusuf Khan and Pinchu Kapoor in key roles. अमित जी ने इस स्पेशल दिन को याद करते हुए नूतन जी के साथ अपनी एक पुरानी फोटो शेयर की, who presented him the Best Actor Filmfare Award for his performance in the movie. अपने ब्लॉग में बिग बी ने डॉन से जुड़ी कई दिलचस्पी यादें भी शेयर की हैं. Like the fact that he had dedicated his Best Actor award to the film's producer, Mr. Nariman Irani, who had died in an accident. Amit Ji had called his wife on stage when he received the award to recognize her husband's contribution to making the film possible. But the most delightful detail we learnt about the iconic film was about its title itself, which almost caused problems with its release. Amit Ji reveals in his blog, when Chandra and Salim Javed announced the name of the film as Dawn, no distributor was willing to accept the title. They all thought it to be named after the Dawn underwear, a popular brand during those days. The film Godfather was just making a mark in film circles. The word Dawn was unknown till then. Dawn has been remade in 2 parts with Shah Rukh Khan playing Amit Ji's character, but we say original Dawn से better होना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
Now, if you're really looking for some inspiration to work out, to eat right, to sleep on time, to wake up on time, to just show up for living life on time, well, look no further than beyond India's very own reverse aging superstar, Anil Kapoor. Now, Anil Kapoor has been one actor who's been inspiring us with his performance from year to year, becoming better and better with them, or his fitness levels being upped and upped. I mean, this man is non-stop, and that kind of energy is really, really incredible. But having said that, Anil recently posted on his social media a very heartfelt message reaching out to all his fans and his audience, where he's confessing that he too wakes up some days with no motivation to work out and no motivation to get on with his day. And he said that's normal. But you do have to fight past that, because our minds and our bodies are the only things that we have to fight this pandemic. Here's the story.
Every time we feel we can't find Anil Kapoor any more awesome, he goes and raises the bar for excellence further. At 63, his energy and enthusiasm can put youngsters to shame. The actor, who has been a part of Bollywood for almost 4 decades, has now recently shared a picture of his new fit physique that he has built by working out on a regular basis during the lockdown. But just when we thought he is invincible, the star posted a heartfelt note sharing that he is just as human as the rest of us and has gone through his share of good and bad days during the lockdown. Writing a post meant to motivate his fans and followers, Anil Ji shared, "Some mornings are tougher than others. Some days I would rather hide another hour under the covers, but my workout, my fitness regime will still be waiting when I do roll back the covers. That's why our mind plays such an important role in any health drive. The long-term solution to fight microbes like COVID-19 is not complete isolation or endless disinfecting, but building immunity of the body and mind to fight any such external aggravators, because this is not the first or the last one." His words do strike a chord, since more than the physical strain of being at home, The mental toll of not being able to go out to work, of being away from loved ones is causing a real mental strain on people. Anilji writes in his post about the importance of mental strength, and more than anything else, it's our mental tenacity that will help us cope with the consequences of the pandemic. Our mind is one part of the body we have to work the hardest on, and yet the results of the hard work may not always be manifest to others. There is no mind bicep to flex or brain six-pack to show off. But the mind is what will make the difference to a successful health kick. Every day, the first thing I flex is the power of my mind to get up and get rolling. Further, in his Monday motivation post, Anil Kapoor asked his fans to begin their days by flexing their willpower and added, "If you think you can, you will. If you think you can't, you won't. Either way, you will prove yourself right." So embrace the mind and start your day by first flexing your willpower and your resolve. We hear you, Anil sir, and our admiration for you yet again has gone up a few more notches.
Kartik Aaryan has had us all in splits ever since the lockdown began with his hilarious videos and rants on his social media. Now, while some of his videos may have misfired, the guy still enjoys a huge fan following, especially amongst the younger generation who actually uses social media. Now, recently, after Kartik Aaryan's hilarious post on Mother's Day, he's revealed that if he was ever marooned on an island, he'd like Kareena Kapoor Khan to be his island buddy because she is his favorite. Now, I'd be really interested to know what Saif Ali Khan has to think about this. Here's the story.
Well, it's no secret that actor Kartik Aaryan is a huge fan of Kareena Kapoor Khan and loses no opportunity to express his love and fandom for her. The two have even walked the ramp together for a fashion show, and it looks like their mutual admiration has continued from there. Kartik has kept his fans on social media entertained and informed on social media during the lockdown. Whether it's some hilarious videos with his family, including a unique take on Mother's Day where his mom is upset because he didn't post anything on social media.
Okay?
हाँ माँ।
Mother's Day पे सबने अपनी अपनी मम्मियों के साथ में सेल्फी डाली, तूने अभी तक मेरे साथ कुछ क्यों नहीं डाला?
मम्मी मुझे एक एक पोस्ट के पता है कितने लाख मिलते हैं, दोगे?
1 लाख दूंगी। भोपाल वाली बुआ सुबह से 2 बार फोन कर चुकी है और तूने अभी तक कुछ नहीं डाला, चुपचाप करके डाल दे मेरे साथ एक सेल्फी।
To an interview series called Koki Puchega, where he speaks to those on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic. Kartik has been keeping his virtual audiences engaged.
Okay?
हाँ
Okay?
हाँ मम्मी इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ।
दे रहा है कि दे रहा है? तू पूछे ना?
हाँ माँ कोकी पूछेगा।
But he made news for other reasons recently when he answered a question on a rapid-fire round. When he was asked, on an island, you'd want to be marooned with ? And the actor instantly replied, Kareena Kapoor Khan, adding, "Wo meri favorite hai." Kartik has never concealed his affection for Kareena Kapoor and even appeared on a chat show with her for a radio interview series that she did. Interesting baat ye hai that Kartik was rumored to be dating Sara Ali Khan, who is Saif's daughter from his first marriage and even starred opposite her in Love Aajkal.
तुम कार्तिक से अट्रैक्ट नहीं होती?
मुझे पेट्रोल पीना भी पसंद है।
आना तो पूरी तरह आना, वरना आना ही मत।
Looks like Kartik और पटौड़ी फैमिली की लेडीज का कुछ तो खास कनेक्शन है.
Who is most likely to forget an anniversary?
Who's most likely to write a love poem?
Who gets most jealous?
Who's the most argumentative?
Who's the better cook?
Who's most likely to cheat?
Actress Neha Dhupia and her husband Angad Bedi had a double celebration very recently. A couple of days ago, it was the couple's anniversary along with Mother's Day, both on the same day. And to celebrate that, Neha put out a whole bunch of pictures. One set of pictures were her husband and her little daughter Meher to celebrate Mother's Day. And the other set of pictures were just her and her Prince Charming Angad Bedi to celebrate their anniversary. And as Neha put it, Angad is equal to 5 boyfriends rolled into one. Here's the story.
Neha Dhupia and Angad Bedi had an eventful 2018 when they got married, had a baby, and in a span of just a year became a couple and a cute little family of 3. Recently, this much-loved couple celebrated their 2nd anniversary, which also coincided with Mother's Day. So quite like their life, marriage and motherhood celebrations happened together. Neha shared her happiness online with 2 very different and interesting posts. While she wished her best friend turned husband Angad by sharing some old monochrome pictures of the 2 of them, her caption captured their unique romance. Happy anniversary, my love, to 2 years of togetherness. Angad is like number 1, the love of my life. Number 2, a support system. Number 3, a great father. Number 4, my best friend. And number 5, the most annoying roommate ever. It's like I have 5 boyfriends in one. It's my choice. # those who know. अपने हस्बैंड के साथ ऑनलाइन रोमांस के बाद came the mother's joy of celebrating Mother's Day with her daughter and husband who are all together during lockdown. Neha shared some adorable pictures from the little party they had. There were 2 cakes for the special occasion, lots of hugs and cuddles, and the really heartwarming togetherness that the trio seems to share. Sharing the picture, Neha wrote, "Lockdown celebrations, Mother's Day and wedding anniversary." God bless Neha and Angad, and we hope that you will fall in love a little more every year and remain just as happy always.
No, don't get up on him.
From being the princess of Juhu to living the life of a queen in New Delhi, Sonam Kapoor seems to be one lucky lady. Now, Sonam is in lockdown with her husband Anand Ahuja and her in-laws, and recently posted a whole bunch of pictures which represent her life in lockdown. And she titled the album as Snapshots in Quarantine. Well, honestly, guys, this looks like nothing like our lives in lockdown right now, which makes us slightly envious of the star. Here's the story.
Sonam Kapoor Ahuja is in lockdown with her husband and in-laws in Delhi, and she took to social media to share some fabulous sets of photos of her life in lockdown. That also gave us a sneak peek into her palatial Delhi home and its beautiful lawns and outdoor spaces. Calling the series Snapshots of Quarantine, we get a glimpse into Sonam and Anand's room, their workspaces, and even see a picture of Sonam cooking up a storm in the kitchen. Serene, cozy, and comfortable, Sonam and Anand's home looks both elegant and inviting. दिल्ली में उनका ये आलीशान घर उनकी सारी एक्टिविटीज के लिए टेलर मेड लगता है. While her in-laws don't appear in any of the pictures, we get to see how Anand and Sonam have been spending time in lockdown.
This is my anniversary present. Insane.
The couple is catching up on reading and romance. While Anand and his brother enjoy a relaxing yoga session in the lawns of their home. They also seem to have an enviable collection of books and high-end sneakers and a bedroom with a resort-like 4-poster bed that has us all feeling jealous. What really caught our eye though was the couple's reading space, where we saw an autograph set of the entire series of Will Smith's The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Well, if that's not fancy, we don't know what is. Enjoy your lockdown, Sonam, though we're sure that you're secretly itching to be back in Mumbai and on set.
दोस्तों अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. Alaya Furniturewala, who recently made her debut and got critical acclaim with Jawani Jane Man, also starring Saif Ali Khan, recently posted a really sweet message for her mother Pooja Bedi on her social media. Now, along with the message also was posted a photograph of the mother and daughter duo who are twinning for the win. Now, while we have to say that we really can't wait to see Alaya on the big screen again, during lockdown, she's been posting some really hilarious videos of her along with her family, which includes her mother and her brother doing really funny things. Here's the story.
Alaya Furniturewala, or Alaya F, as she's popularly known, is one of the most promising stars on the horizon. She made her debut in Jawani Jane Man and held her own opposite Saif Ali Khan, Tabu, and a host of more experienced actors. Alaya, who's the daughter of former model and actor Pooja Bedi and the granddaughter of veteran actor Kabir Bedi and late dancer Pratima Bedi. The young actor, who has a terrific on-screen presence and was instantly loved in the movie, has now signed a 3-film deal with a very large production house. Currently in lockdown with her mom Pooja and brother Omar, Alaya has been sharing sweet videos of the three of them together, taking on social media challenges that have been trending on certain video creation platforms.
Who would get arrested first? Who is most likely to kill somebody? Who is more basic? Who does better in school? Who is more messy? Who is most likely to drop out of school? Who is the worst driver?
The young star was also trending at the beginning of the lockdown when she shared pictures of people violating social distancing norms and gathering in large groups on a beach near her home. But recently, the 22-year-old star took to social media to share a special post and wish her mother Pooja Bedi on her birthday, and shared an adorable picture of the two of them looking absolutely gorgeous in white. The mother-daughter duo seem to be cozy on the couch, and Mummy Pooja is hugging Alaya close and smiling from ear to ear. Alaya wrote a special birthday wish for her mom and said, "Happy birthday, Mama. Love you lots."
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pooja. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50s, Pooja, and we hope we get to see your daughter on screen again very soon.
Well, guys, I will have to call cut on this episode right here, but I will be back tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, stay home, stay safe. मतलब जाए तो जाए कहाँ? Lockdown है यहाँ. Stay at home, watch movies, read a book, work from home, work out, watch Zoom. कुछ भी कीजिएगा, लेकिन बेवकूफी मत करना. That's all. Do not step out until you are allowed to do so. Anyways, I will see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and ciao.